Perfect. Well, hey, let's start off with, where we always have to start at the very beginning. How did we get here? Introduce yourselves for me and kind of give your path to laundry. And Amy, why don't you go ahead and start for us?
Perfect. Thank you for having us today. We're super excited to be here. So, our path, it's interesting. We both come from different backgrounds, as you said. I come from commercial real estate. Avi will tell you about his, but spent a 14-year career at private equity commercial real estate. We were both owner and operator of real estate, creating different environments where people came to be both in office and retail and multifamily. And so that is what I was doing there. I was really working in a vertically integrated team and leading teams across the US. What I saw in laundry is actually years and years in the making. My family's business in Ohio actually is a 95-year-old commercial laundry business that was started by my great-grandfather and is still run today by my brother, my cousin, and my father. And so I have been in the laundry industry before even my time, and we've always looked at laundromats. And so as I started thinking about my future and what's interesting in the industry, I love this idea of taking something that everybody does, everybody needs, clean clothes, and finding a better way to deliver that. And that's what Avi and I came together to do.
I love it. I love it. Avi, yeah, you go ahead and share next.
Absolutely. So I also come from private equity, similar to Amy, although in a much different space. My background's really in the manufacturing side of things. So designing, building, launching new products into the market, mostly in the medical and life science space. But I ran manufacturing businesses for private equity for about 15 years, and really enjoyed the starting businesses, growing them, kind of being able to integrate businesses together, building the systems. So that really drew me to that space, and had an opportunity to kind of think about doing something different, at the end of 2024, coming into 2025. And I honestly set out to, go buy my own manufacturing business. I looked around Atlanta, try to find something that I could, kind of go build my own thing. And Amy and I have known each other for, more than 10 years, as our kids have grown up together. And so we had been, kept in touch on what we were up to as we both kind of took this next step in our careers independently. And, I was looking at manufacturing businesses, saw a couple, put in a couple offers, but, Amy and I ended up thinking about laundry, and we spent a couple months evaluating the space together, and decided that really it had a lot of the same stickiness factors that I liked about manufacturing, at least in the self-service side, but some really interesting things going on in the I don't know, I guess you could just say the pickup and delivery space, right, where in the kind of convenience economy we're seeing today, there's an opportunity for this stable base, but really a ton of opportunities to grow on top of that in so many different ways, and really just getting started with what we saw, like technology coming into this space. So it just seemed like a great time to jump in. And so, yeah, here we are. We're excited.